Before you bury rice in your garden again, stop. Because what looks like a harmless soil hack can quietly attract pests, create sour rot, and stall your plants. Yes, rice can wake up soil microbes. But it doesn't just feed the good guys. It feeds everything. And if your soil isn't ready for it, you're not boosting life. You're creating imbalance. Here's what most gardeners don't realize. Cooked rice breaks down extremely fast underground. Within 24 to 48 hours, microbes swarm it. Sounds great, right? But if your soil is compacted, if it's already wet, if drainage is poor, that fast breakdown creates oxygen-starved pockets. That sour smell people celebrate. Sometimes that's not healthy biology. It's anaerobic decay. And roots hate that. On top of that, shallow-buried rice can attract fungus, gnats, ants, even rodents. Rice is food. And soil isn't sterile. Now let's talk raw rice. Raw rice breaks down slower. Much slower. That makes it safer. But bury it too shallow, pests can still find it. Use too much, you still spike microbial activity beyond what your soil can handle. Here's the truth. Rice is not fertilizer. Rice is a trigger. And triggers must be controlled. But here's something most people never test. Try this experiment. Bury a small spoon of cooked rice in one corner of your garden. Then come back in 3 days. If you see white fuzz, a sour smell, or gnats hovering, that's not soil magic. That's imbalance. Now here's the interesting part. If nothing dramatic happens, if it breaks down cleanly without pests or odor, that means your soil already had oxygen, drainage, and balance. The rice didn't fix your soil. It revealed your soil. And that's the part nobody talks about. So if you're going to use rice, follow this. Use only in well-draining soil. Never in pots or indoor plants. Bury at least 4 to 6 inches deep. Use tablespoons, not handfuls. More rice does not mean more life. It means imbalance. There's also a smarter alternative most people ignore. Fermented rice water. Rinse your rice. Let the water sit and lightly ferment. Dilute it. Apply to already moist soil. No solids. Lower pest risk. Better control. Now let me say something important. Most garden problems don't come from lack of nutrients. They come from imbalance. We chase hacks. We bury things. We dump amendments. But healthy soil isn't built by shocking it. It's built by supporting it. If rice caused mold or gnats in your garden, that doesn't mean you failed. It means your soil needed structure, not starch. Smart gardeners don't just add more. They observe first. And that's how you build soil that lasts for years, not just a week. So here's the takeaway. Burying rice isn't magic. It can boost soil life. But only if your soil is already stable. Otherwise, you're feeding the wrong army underground. At Guide to Green Thumb, we don't chase hacks. We build living soil the smart way. If this helped you avoid a mistake, subscribe. And tell me, have you ever buried rice and noticed mold or gnats? Let's talk about what really happened.